Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Beach Wagon is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable pieces of equipment for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities, from beach trips and camping excursions to sporting events and gardening projects, offering a convenient way to transport all your gear without the strain of carrying multiple heavy bags and coolers, making your adventures significantly more enjoyable and less physically demanding. Number 5. Timber Ridge 400L Double-Decker Folding Wagon. Need to haul oversized items like chairs or tents? This wagon features an extended lower shelf, making it perfect for transporting even your largest gear with ease. Don't worry about overloading. It's built with sturdy steel pipes, supporting up to 450 pounds in total, offering ample space for everything you need. Navigate any surface smoothly with its 7.5-inch all-terrain wheels. The front wheels rotate 360 degrees for easy maneuvering, and brakes provide stability. Forget complicated assembly. It sets up in seconds by simply pushing the bottom and folds compactly for easy storage and transport. The handle is adjustable for your comfort and stays within easy reach. It's designed to stay put when not in use, so it won't fall to the floor. What we like? This wagon features an extra-long lower shelf, perfect for those oversized items like tents or canopy. With a robust 450 pounds total weight capacity, it's built for heavy-duty hauling. If you often transport bulky camping gear or multiple large items, its extended capacity and length make it the ideal choice for your next adventure. What people say? This wagon is great for hauling all your beach gear, including chairs, umbrellas, and coolers. The large wheels make it easy to maneuver on sand and uneven terrain. It folds up compactly for easy storage and transport. Number 4. Timber Ridge Outdoor Collapsible Wagon. Introducing a wagon designed for all your adventures. It boasts a robust steel frame capable of supporting up to 225 pounds on flat ground, offering ample space for all your essentials. Never worry about leaving things behind. This wagon features a large side pocket and 2 cup holders, giving you convenient access to your drinks and 20% more storage than others. Navigate any terrain with ease. Its big wheels and precision braking system ensure a smooth ride, whether you're camping, shopping, or gardening. The 360 degrees rotating front wheels and adjustable handle offer superior maneuverability. Get ready in seconds. No assembly is required, simply push the bottom to set it up. When not in use, it folds compactly for easy storage in your trunk, garage, or closet. Purchase with confidence. All our products come with a 1-year warranty against quality defects. Contact us if you encounter any issues. What we like? This wagon offers convenient side storage and cup holders, keeping your essentials within easy reach. It also comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If you appreciate having your drinks and smaller items organized and accessible while on the go, this wagon is a great companion for shopping trips or park outings. What people say? The wagon is easy to assemble and folds up compactly for storage. It has a large capacity and can hold a lot of gear, making it perfect for beach trips or sporting events. The wheels are sturdy and can handle various terrains, including sand and gravel. Number 3. Originsure 220L Collapsible Beach Wagon Cart. Experience an expansive 7.69 cubic feet of storage, perfect for all your gear. When folded, it becomes incredibly compact, easily fitting into your car trunk or small spaces. This cart boasts an impressive 460 pounds weight capacity, supported by a robust, all-metal frame that's thicker than standard models. Its durable, waterproof fabric ensures it can handle any adventure. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its large, 7-inch all-terrain wheels. The front wheels feature brakes for secure parking, providing stability wherever you go. Enjoy a smooth and controlled experience with its patented steering mechanism. The adjustable handle ensures comfortable use for everyone, making maneuvering a breeze. It comes with practical additions like a side pocket, cup holders, and a storage cover. Plus, it's ready to use right out of the box with no assembly required. Whether for camping, sports, or grocery runs, this wagon is designed for convenience and durability. It's your go-to solution for transporting heavy loads. What we like? Boasting a massive 7.69 cubic feet capacity and a reinforced all-metal frame, this wagon can handle up to 460 pounds. Its patented stable steering mechanism ensures a controlled and easy maneuverability. If you need to carry a very large amount of gear and prioritize stability and a robust build, this is the wagon for you, especially for heavy-duty tasks like moving garden supplies or large loads. What people say. It is very sturdy and can hold a lot of stuff. The wheels are large and can go over sand and rough terrain easily. It folds up compactly for storage and transport. Number 2. SONGMICS Small Collapsible Wagon UGFW 909B01. This wagon is built to last with premium materials and strong connections. It boasts great sturdiness and can handle a high load capacity, making it incredibly reliable for all your hauling needs. When not in use, it folds effortlessly with a simple pull on the drawstring. Its compact size when folded makes it perfect for storing in your car, boot, or any tight space. Weighing only 11 pounds, it's a breeze to maneuver around. The handle is secured with a fastener, eliminating any wobble for a smooth and easy transport experience. This cart is your perfect companion for various activities. Whether you're gardening, carrying groceries, or heading out for a picnic or camping trip, it has you covered. It comes equipped with 4 wheels, 2 of which can rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to roll it wherever you need to go. Plus, all wheels are removable and replaceable for your convenience. What we like. Weighing in at just 11 pounds, this wagon is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, yet still supports a dynamic 330 pounds capacity. Its wheels are also removable for added convenience. If portability and ease of handling are your top priorities, and you need a reliable wagon for lighter, frequent uses like grocery runs or picnics, this compact option is perfect. What people say. This wagon is great for the beach. It folds up easily and is very sturdy. I love this wagon. It's perfect for carrying all my beach gear. It's also very easy to maneuver on the sand. This wagon is a game changer for beach trips. It holds a lot and makes it so much easier to transport everything. Number 1. Heavy-duty collapsible folding wagon cart. This wagon is built tough with a durable steel frame and reinforced fabric. It can handle heavy groceries, sports gear, beach supplies, or gardening tools with ease, designed for long-term daily use. Navigate any surface with our upgraded oversized wheels. They offer superior grip and stability on sand, grass, gravel, or pavement, making it perfect for all your outdoor adventures. With a spacious interior, it easily fits coolers, sports equipment, shopping bags, and more. It's ideal for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and weekend errands. It collapses flat in seconds with a simple pull, no tools required. This compact size is perfect for car trunks, garages, or closets, making it easy to store and transport. This versatile helper is perfect for grocery runs, beach days, sporting events, gardening, and more. It's sturdy, practical, and ready for all-season outdoor use. What we like. With an impressive 150L capacity, this wagon is designed for big hauls and folds completely flat in seconds with no tools required. It's perfect for those who need to transport a lot of gear but have limited storage space. If you're looking for a versatile wagon for everything from beach days to grocery shopping that's both spacious and easy to store, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The wagon is easy to fold and unfold. It has a large capacity and can hold a lot of items. The wheels are sturdy and can handle various terrains. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.